Hi guys, so welcome to Dheeraj Mahajan channel. So this is Dheeraj Mahajan. I am 10x GCP certified. So today I will let you know how to create a GKE cluster using gcloud command in a just few simple steps. Just follow steps and let me know. So you are able to see there is a window of Kubernetes cluster, right? How to reach this window? Just on this Kubernetes engine, on the navigation menu, on the Kubernetes engine, just click on the cluster, you will get here. So just click on create cluster, right? This create cluster will pop up you with the creation of autopilot cluster. But in this video, remember the one word once again, in this video I will let you know creation of the standard cluster, not the autopilot, right? So switch to standard mode. Keep this option as it is. No worries. How to get the gcloud command, that is important. So to get the gcloud command, I am keeping everything same. I am not changing anything. All depend upon your requirement. What you want to change, you can change, right? Let me take the number of nodes equal to 1, right? So just, but you can change with the command also. But how to get the gcloud command? Just click there, right? Copy this command, right, and just run in the cloud shell. So cloud shell is activating, right? So just it will take 5 minutes. So this will create a GKE cluster file. Let me. So it is asking me to specify the zone. No worries. So in the end I will specify the ---- zone. Right, I will take the zone same as it is with the location US- central 1-C. So I have taken the same zone as the location of my GKE cluster. So the cluster start getting created. So it will just take 5 minutes. So in this video I will let you know creation of GKE cluster, how to log into GKE cluster using the gcloud command. Right. So this will just take 5 minutes to create your GKE cluster. Meanwhile, creation of GKE cluster, you can see here also. You can see. Let me take you to the GKE cluster window, right? So you can see the cluster 1 with this name start coming in front of you, right? So it will take 5 minutes to create a GKE cluster using gcloud command, right? I think you will get how to get the gcloud command so easily from the console window to create a GKE cluster. Let me see the observation. What is going inside? 36% of the cluster being deployed. So it's now 53, 58. So see, things are very fast. So because numbers of node equal to 1 only, I have not taken the very much nodes. It's just one node, right? So that's why the processing is fast. Normally with the 3 nodes, it will approximately 5 to 10 minutes it will take to create, but the processing is so fast right now, 61%. So it's deploying, right? So deploying the required packages which is required for the creation of the GKE cluster. So after that it will go for the health check, and in the final it will provide you the whole detail with the master control version, node pool version, the node version, the node pool, all the specific detail for the creation of the most important is your control plane version, your node version. That should be the specifically should not be that much of difference. But when you create this GKE cluster, it will provide you the all this detail. Let's see when this will get created. So after that, I will let you know how to log into the GKE cluster also. Right? I hope you will. If the screen is visible, I will just put it higher here. So cluster health check is checking right now, right? You can see health check is on the way to check, right? It's working. After health check, so it is in the final stage of creating of the GKE cluster. So just in a second, you will create your GKE cluster for your practice, for your any of the even the when you go for the CK exam. You can do your practice on the GKE cluster without taking any headache of creating the master node, creating the worker node separately, and trying to be activate each other, trying to be make the communicate with each other using the control plane. Since this is a GKE, Google is managing each and everything. Google is managing your control plane. Node pool you are managing, or Google is managing the control plane, right? So let's wait for the cluster to be created. So I will let you show the, since I have taken the one node, so it will show you one node. Let's wait for some time. It's in process. So if you see, almost health checkup is running for GKE cluster. Right, health checkup is running. So that's after health checkup there is a final stage, right? So once this health check will finish, very important to understand the health checkup. Health checkup will make you understand specifically any specific thing you are missing, and it's the healthiness of your control plane, healthiness of your node pool, nodes in the node pool. Let's see. We are almost in the final stage. You can see here, that means so almost so health checkup is already done. You can see the message here. Health cluster is being healthy checked. Master is healthy now. So let's click on the cluster. Let's click there. So 83% of the thing is done. See, health check is already done, but in the CLI window it is showing it is done. Because CLI window is something more faster, will show you the update. Right? In CLI window it is showing it is done. So if you come down, so if you go to the particular node, so nodes will be showing healthy. See, you can see that healthiness of the nodes is showing. Let's keep on getting the details. Right here, let me check. Very good. It will just take another 2 minutes, so it will be healthy and your GKE cluster is ready to serve you. Oh, excellent. Excellent. You can see the GKE cluster is ready, and you can see whole detail. Name of the cluster, location in which cluster is created, the master version of the cluster, master IP of the cluster, machine type, node version, number of the node, and status running. So next step, how to log into GKE cluster. Let me take you from here. So your cluster is ready, right? How to log into GKE cluster and how to get a gcloud command to get a log into GKE cluster. Just click on the cluster, just click on connect, just click on copy this and keep it okay, and run this command. Just enter. Yeah, you have fetched your entry for the GKE cluster. Just enter kubectl. Right, this is public cluster. So we show you the public cluster right now, and creation of public cluster, how to set this public cluster using the Cloud Shell. Thank you guys. Keep liking our video. We will show you the creation of private cluster sometime, step by step also. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.